2 little mini unboxings today. This one right here, I'm waiting on for like almost a month. Oh my god, those are bowls. With so I'm gonna show you these first. Big Piro sticker. I was so happy when they came out with these. Oh my god. These things are so fucking sick. One of my favorite party packs. They are in the performance shape. And I didn't get the other one because these ones I liked more. I wasn't really a big fan of the other ones. But I'm not sure what colorway these are. But I fucking like them. Like a dark green. They're sick. Yeah. Got Joycult and a deli pack on the way, so. Fucking sick ass stickers. So I did decide to get 3.0s, classic 3.0s. Those are the floral glows and the eye burners. Classic stickers. I think that's a new one. Yes, sir. Things are fire. That's it. So is on the DHL one. So 34s. Set of 32s. It's like a really big axle. Uh-oh. I don't know if I have confidence in these. So today, my package came from, well, you can see, 6 Gates. It feels way heavier. The only thing I ordered was a set of Piro wheels. Let's get into it. Okay. This is going to be the last part to this unboxing, by the way. I've got so many freaking parts of videos. Ooh, I like these bushings a lot. Those will go really good on here. Yeah, this is the new 32 setup. Trux, Joycult, eye burners. Your normal 32, V1. Cap script. But yeah, I was actually looking for my orange bushings last night because sticker sheet, airhead, going to lunchbox for work later. Oh, and here they are. I wanted these for a minute. Everywhere I could find them, they were always out of fucking stock. But these are, I got these for the Beast Pants Black River collab deck that's on the way. These things are sick. But throw all these videos together later at work and put this video together and upload it tonight. So have a good. Okay, so got a little two-part unboxing. In my opinion, I think this might be the best, so I'm gonna save that for last. But this is from I'm not sure how to say the name of their store, but I'll go ahead and open this up. So I did order a set of Level Up. Okay, part of a necklace. Okay. Wait a second, is this for your Trux? Oh my god, it's for a board. That is sick. Hold on, I'll show you. Use it like that. But it's a necklace, bro. Hell yes. That is so sick. Thank you. And then, oh, you just caught a little sneak peek right there. Glow in the dark Level Up bushing. I think these are BRTs, but no, it doesn't really matter. It's not these washers. I do need some for my BRTs though. I hate the way BRTs feel, so hopefully these can save them. I got another FPS, or well, I guess this is actually my only FPS Yo box, but the other one I have is the holes are too small for bolt wheels. It kind of sucks, because like, all I really use is bowls. Except for these. I did get bubble mints. And I love labs, by the way. Definitely one of my new favorite fingerboard wheels. Little lab wheels sticking. Then obviously, you got the huge sticker. Whoa, what is that? Who wants to be a fingerboard? I like that one. Same sticker sheet as last time, but yes, sir.